Hello, this is John from Rex Academy. In this video, I'm going to share some ideas with you about pacing and some tips with helpful information. So first, to remind you that students need to complete the homeworks and practices in the order that they see them in the TLP. This is just so they can learn the basic skills needed in order to progress to the next lessons. You, the instructor, do have some control over the amount of content in the course through revealing or hiding the lab assignments. So in a 5-week course, that's roughly one lesson per week. If you find that students aren't moving very fast, you can choose to not even use the labs. Again, you do have some flexibility there. It's also unrealistic to expect that all students are going to be in the same place at the same time. Some learners, as we know, move really fast, and others just need more time. Students are absent or late. It's going to happen no matter what you do. Just know that there are solutions to homeworks and labs, so you will very likely be in the position to have to decide when to make those solutions visible. In the course as it's delivered to you, all of those are hidden. So how do you decide when to reveal a solution? Given the highly variable individual student pace, you're going to be in a position of revealing a solution before all students have even completed the assignment. This is okay. One thing you can do as an instructor is to keep those solutions hidden, but study them yourself so you or any students that you choose to help you do this can be a resource to the students who are having trouble. If you set this up correctly, a programming course can be very highly collaborative. You make this work by purposely assigning partners and groups and change those up throughout the course. The classroom environment that you're looking for is one in which students are actively assisting others to design, write, test, and debug their code for all the homeworks and labs. There's a great feeling of accomplishment when students get it to work. So make sure to leverage this excitement to create a positive classroom environment. Truly, in this type of course, it is not difficult. Similarly, the assignments that are auto-graded can be finicky since they require very precise matching between actual output and the so-called expected output. So make sure to encourage students to help each other find those errors and debug programs, especially with the auto-graded assignments. You can make this easy for yourself if you can identify and recruit highly capable students to help you help the class. And I'd remind you that the course is not necessarily a race to the finish line. I would be more concerned about making sure the students enrolled in the course just have a positive experience with Python rather than having to get to the end. It should be a fun course and where students can work to their abilities and everyone learns something and makes progress and learns what text-based programming is all about. So before we leave, I'd like to demonstrate for you how to change the visibility tag on any of these assignments. So let's scroll down in lesson 1 to one of the homework solutions, say homework 1 solution. Right now students cannot see it. So let's change that. First, click on the tag for that item. It takes a few moments to load. There is a gear icon. Click it to edit the settings. And then just scroll down to Common Module Settings. And there it is right there. So you can toggle on and off, hiding and showing. So we'll reveal that, and most important, make sure and save and return to the course. And now you can see the homework solution is visible. And the second thing, if you needed to change the restrictions on any assignment, so say for example practice 2 is not allowed until practice 1 is complete, you can easily do that as well in a similar way. Just click on the item, wait a few moments. Again, click on the gear icon, edit settings. And in the restrict access, just click on the X to make it go away. All right, thank you.